Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we need to find out the angle between these two curves, okay? Now see, angle between the curves is nothing but angle between the tangents. Once again, angle between the curves is angle between the tangents. Okay, now where will we find out this angle? We will find out the angle at the point of intersection, at points of intersection. Okay, so to find out angle between the curves, first we need to find out point of intersections for these two curves. Okay, let's get started. So given curves are y square equal to 8x and 4x square plus y square is equal to 32. Now how to solve? To get started, if you see, y square is 8x, here I have y square. So put y square is equal to 8x here. Put y square is equal to 8x in this. Okay. If you will do that, 4x square plus 8x is 32. Fine. Chalo. Now bring 32 to the LHS. Next. I'm taking 4 common if you see, because it will make things easier. 4 if I'll take common, here I am left with x square. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 4 if it is taken common, I will be left out with 2 here. 32 can be written as 8 into 4. So 4 if it is taken common, I will be left out with 8. So fine, send the 4 to the RHS. 0 by 4 is 0. Now next, this 2x I am going to write it as 4x minus 2x. Okay. To factorize. In case if you need help with factorization, I can help you in the comments, but I don't want to cover that here. 2x can be written as 4x minus 2x. Okay. Now in these two terms, in the first two terms, I can take x common. In these two terms, I can take minus 2 common. I can take minus 2 common. So x into x plus 4. If I'll take x common, I'll get x into x plus 4. Minus 2 if I'll take common, again I'll get x plus 4. Because minus 2 once it's taken common, and here I am left out with just x. And if minus 2 is taken common, then minus 8 is nothing but minus 2 into 4. So plus 4 is remaining. Fine. Now in these two terms, x plus 4 we can take it common again. If I'll take x plus 4 common, x plus 4 into x minus 2. X plus 4 into x minus 2. Okay. Now so x is minus 4 and 2 points. X is minus 4 and 2. For this value of x, we have to find out y. But one thing, if you see, when x is minus 4, y square will be, y square is 8x. So 8 into minus 4, which is minus 32. Can y square be negative? Can y square be negative? Not possible. So x equal to minus 4 is not a solution. Okay. Fine. Now only x equal to 2 is possible. So put x equal to 2 here. So y square is equal to, when x equal to 2, y square will be 8 into 2, which is 16. Y square is 16. That means y can be plus or minus 4. So basically when x is 2, y can be plus 4 or minus 4. So my points of intersection are p2 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 4, because y has two values. Okay, I hope things are clear up till now. Now we have to find out the angle between the tangents, right? Before finding out the angle between the tangents, we have to find out the slopes of tangents. Okay, the slopes of first tangent, the slopes of tangents. Now how to do that? See, slope of tangent is given by dy by dx. Slope of a tangent to a curve is given by dy by dx. So I need to find out dy by dx for the first curve as well as the second curve. For the first curve as well as the second curve. The first curve is this, y square is equal to 8x. Second curve is this. Now differentiate this one with respect to x, differentiate both sides with respect to x here also. Now d by dx of y square is nothing but 8 into d by dx of x. Okay. Because 8 is a constant, you can keep it outside of derivative, it's okay. So the 8 into d by dx of x. Here also 4 into derivative of x square plus derivative of y square is nothing but derivative of 32. I hope this step is clear. I just differentiated, and constants I kept them a bit outside. Fine. Next, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. Okay, and derivative of x is 1. See, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Why? Because here we are differentiating with respect to x, but our variable is y, but y is dependent on x. So treat it as x only, treat it like x only. Like derivative of x square is 2x, so derivative of y square is 2y, but our variable is y here, and we are differentiating with respect to x. That's why as per chain rule we would get into dy by dx. I hope this concept is clear. Likewise, here also 4 into derivative of x square is 2x, so 4 into 2x is 8x, plus derivative of y square is again 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative of a constant is 0, 32. Derivative of 32 is 0. Now dy by dx is nothing but 8 by 2y, which is nothing but 4 by y. So the derivative for the first curve is 4 by y. Now send this minus 8x to the RHS, so I get 2y dy by dx is minus 8x. So dy by dx is minus 8x by 2y. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so minus 4x by y. Now chalo next slope on. Now I got dy by dx. Now my aim is to find out the slope of the tangents, okay, so that I can use tan theta formula and get the angle between the tangents. So slope of tangent at P is here, this one. Oh, here I made a mistake. Sorry, this is 2 comma 4 only, the same point. 2 comma 4. Fine. So m1 is dy by dx at 2 comma 4. Whoa, I made a mistake again. I'm sorry. This is also 2 comma 4. See carefully. What is my dy by dx? 4 by y. What is my point? 2 comma 4. So put y. So x is 2, y is 4. Here there is no x only. So y is 4. So put it. So 4 by 4 is 1. m1 is 1. Okay. Likewise, here also this is 2 comma 4. This is 2 comma 4. Okay, I guess there are some mistakes. Hope you will accept. Now dy by m2 is nothing but dy by dx at the point 2 comma 4. See, slash and like 2 comma 4 the point. Okay, at the point 2 comma 4 is here x is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. So I'd get, did I make a mistake? 2 by 4. Yeah, I'm sorry, I made another mistake. So see here, minus 4 into x by y. X is 2, y is 4. So I'd get minus 4 into 2 by 4, which is nothing but minus 2. Fine. So minus 2. M2 is minus 2. Just there are some mistakes. I hope you will forgive me for that. I've corrected on the spot. Fine. Next, M1 is 1 and M2 is minus 2. Now tan theta formula is, if theta is angle between the curves at P, tan theta is mod M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. M1 is 1 and M2 is minus 2. Okay, M1 is 1 and M2 is minus 2. So tan theta is 1 minus of minus 2 by 1 plus 1 into minus 2. I just substituted M1 as 1 and M2 as minus 2. That's all. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2 and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So 1 minus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 by minus 1. Okay, 3 by minus 1. Okay, so tan theta is mod of minus 3. Modulus of a negative number is positive only. So modulus of minus 3 is plus 3. So theta is tan inverse 3. Fine. Okay, let's take a small break here. I wanted to speak something about focus. But before that, let's take a deep breath and exhale. Fine. And a little smile. Chalo. Now see, it is about Swami Vivekananda. One time, Swami Vivekananda and his friend went to a place. Swami Vivekananda's friend told that, okay, I'll be back in like 1 hour. So Swami Vivekananda went to a nearby library and started reading. He started reading a book, and he was so absorbed, he was so focused, he was just reading. The friend was supposed to come after 60 minutes, but he came after 30 minutes only. So after 30 minutes he came and stood beside Swami Vivekananda, but Swami Vivekananda did not observe his friend. He kept on reading for 60 minutes. After that he realized that okay, after 60 minutes my friend will come, so he closed the book. Then, when his friend, then Swami Vivekananda actually turned like this and అక్కడ ఏం చూసారంటే ఆయన ఫ్రెండ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారు, హిస్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ దేర్. The friend was thinking, why did this person ignore me? Like, friend told Swami Vivekananda, like, why did you ignore me? Swami Vivekananda told, no, I did not ignore you, I was absorbed in reading. The friend told, no, I do not believe you. Then Swami Vivekananda gave the book to his friend and told, you can ask me something. Then the friend went to a random page and asked something, and Swami Vivekananda answered the question and told, this is on page number 212, on page number 211 this is there, on page number 213 this is there. The friend was shocked. You see, so much focus Swami Vivekananda had that in one reading he could grasp the entire book, memorize it also. Such amazing focus. That's why, guys, whenever you are studying, it is my sincere suggestion, do one thing. When you are studying, just study, stay focused. Okay, don't have your smartphone, put your smartphone in switch off mode or airplane mode or something, or give it to your parents and just focus on studies. You will get that amazing focus, and once you are in focus, trust me, you will be able to study at a very fast speed. You will be able to do things very fast, but that will take a little practice. But focus is an amazing thing. Please trust me. మీకు ఫోకస్ జనరల్గా ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఎగ్జామ్ ముందు రోజు వస్తుంది. అలా చేయకండి ప్లీజ్. ఎగ్జామ్ ముందు రోజు రాగానే ఎక్కడ లేని ఫోకస్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఇంకా చదివేస్తారు, ఏదో క్లియర్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ అనుకుంటారు ఇలా నేను సంవత్సరం అంతా చదువుంటే ఎంత బాగుంటుండే అని. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్. డూ ఇట్ రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ కమ్ బ్యాక్. I think there will be some more mistakes in the PPT. I'm sorry, I did not look into it that well. Now, fine. For y square is now for point P, I found out the angle between the tangents. I need to do the same thing for point Q also. Fine. For this, a y square equal to 8x is dy by dx is this. For 4x square plus y square is 32, dy by dx is this. This we already found out. Because now at point Q, 2 comma minus 4, and I think everything is okay. This editing, everything is okay. See, slope of tangent at Q 2 comma minus 4. Here x is 2, y is minus 4. Our dy by dx is 4 by y. So y is minus 4. So dy by dx at 2 comma minus 4 is 4 by minus 4, which is minus 1. Okay. And here dy by dx is minus 4x by y. Q is 2 comma minus 4. So x is 2 and y is minus 4. So minus 4 into 2 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, 4 4 cancel, m2 is 2. Fine. So now let's finish it. If theta is angle between the curves at Q, tan theta formula, just substitute. M1 is minus 1, M2 is 2. So minus 1 minus M2, that means 2 minus 2 by 1 plus minus 1 into 2. So see, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So 1 minus 2 will be there in the denominator. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and minus minus cancel. Tan theta is modulus of 3. Modulus of 3 is plus 3, and theta is tan inverse 3. That's it. We found out the angle between the curves. That's what they had asked. Fine. Angle between the tangents is angle between the curves. Fine. And that's how we went. To summarize, we first found out the points of intersection, then we found out dy by dx, then we found out slopes of tangents, substituted the point, and then found out angle between the curves. The same thing we then found out tan theta. The same thing we repeated for the point Q also. Okay, just the two things, like finding m1 m2, slopes, and then angle between the tangents. Right? So it was a sort of a 6-step process. Fine. Okay, anyways, thank you very much for staying with me up till now. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It would encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.